Now, the Indian wrestler Ravi Dahiya assures the nation at least a silver medal after reaching the final of his 57 kg freestyle category. Dahiya pulled off one of the most incredible fightbacks in the semi-finals to keep India in the hunt, even now, for a gold medal. He's reached the finals. This is how the number 4 seed scripted history.
Ravi Kumar Dahiya. Remember the name. Trailing 2-9 in the semi-final bout, the Indian wrestler made one of the best comebacks you will ever see. Kazakhstan's Nurislam Sanayev did not know what hit him. Sanayev must have thought he had the match in the bag, only for Dahiya to make an insane recovery. An incredible fight back. From 2-9 down, Dahiya took it to 7-9 before eventually he pinned his opponent down and was adjudged the winner by fall. There was a moment when Sanayev knew he was going to lose and decided to put the Indian wrestler off by biting hard on his right bicep. Sanayev should have been penalized, but Dahiya did not even need those penalty points. Despite the pain it must have caused, the Indian wrestler never let go of Sanayev and won the bout. Such was the upturn in the events that former Sports Minister and current Law Minister Kiren Rijiju couldn't stop praising Dahiya.
Absolutely, I have seen many wrestling matches in my lifetime, but this comeback made by Ravi Dahiya is one of the finest ever wrestling comeback in the last second, and he has thrilled the nation.
With his victory, over 1.3 billion rejoiced as India now have a shot at the ultimate glory, the gold medal that has evaded them for so long. Abhinav Bindra, 13 years back in Beijing 2008, won India's last gold medal. And now, Ravi Kumar Dahiya has the chance to emulate the feat. Dahiya has been in sensational form. He won the Asian Championships both in 2020 and 2021. He's also the bronze medalist from the 2019 World Championships. It was only a matter of time before he brought home the glory. Dahiya looked at his incredible best ever since his 57 kg category event kicked off. First, he defeated Oscar Tigreros 13-2 on technical superiority before taking down Bulgarian Vangelov 14-4 in the quarterfinals. And when it looked like all was over in the semi-finals, Dahiya pulled off a heist. He was of course helped by the injuries to Sanayev, but take no credit away from the man who can win India their first gold in ages. When Ravi Kumar Dahiya enters the arena for the grand finale, the entire country will be watching. And the entire country will be cheering for the nation's newfound star. Sports Bureau India Today.
All right, I'm going to cut across to our reporters there, Siddhant and Aishwarya, bringing us a perspective here into Ravi Dahiya's fabulous match, how he spun the entire game around towards the end. Siddhant, over to you. This famous bite, we see that on the screens. Ravi Dahiya was bitten by the Kazakhstan player. What was, I mean, did that mean a penalty for him? Is that allowed in the game? And eventually, Ravi Dahiya did take away the match, but undoubtedly, this is not allowed. He was bitten right in the middle of the game.
Yes, Nabila, in freestyle wrestling, you can use all parts of your body, the limbs and everything, but you're not allowed to bite, of course. That's against the rules. And Sanayev, the Kazakh wrestler, should have been penalized. And when Dahiya showed him the bite mark afterwards to the referee there, the referee did not do anything. And then our wrestler did not need that bite mark penalty points also, simply because he then pulled off a victory by fall, where he had the Kazakh wrestler's back towards the ground and both his shoulder blades were touching the ground. And that's how our wrestler Ravi Dahiya won the bout, even though the Kazakh wrestler should have been penalized because he had bitten him. As you can see, the mark on your screens, it's big, and on the right bicep. Dahiya was in a lot of pain after the match, but still that stronghold, he did not let the Kazakh wrestler go and eventually won by fall because he had the Kazakh wrestler's back towards the floor, and then both the shoulder blades were also on the ground. That's how he won the bout, and he did not need those penalty points. But yes, of course, when you talk about the penalty, there should have been a penalty on the Kazakh wrestler, because this is not allowed in the game. You can't bite your opponents. Even if you are doing something like this, usually there's a penalty of 1 or 2 points at least. And this bite mark probably would have resulted in even more points for Ravi Dahiya, who was trailing 7-9 at that point. But then after that, he definitely won the game by fall.
Well, Siddharth, stay with us. I'm going to cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal there. Of course, the bite did come as a surprise, considering it's not allowed. He should have been penalized. But like Siddharth said, Ravi Dahiya managed to win that game, so all's well that ends well. Aishwarya Paliwal from Dahiya's village in Sonipat. Aishwarya, what's the mood there? It could be possible that Ravi Dahiya will be the first one to bring a gold for India if he wins this final.
Well, that's what we all are hoping for, Nabila. Fingers crossed. You know, everyone now is praying for that match, which will start around 4:10 in the evening. Now, let me just tell you what the mood is like at Ravi Dahiya's house. Relatives, friends, all of them have already started gathering. The famous hookah, in fact, has also started. You know, all these people here, all of them now waiting for the match to begin by 4:10. क्या लगता है आप लोगों को? क्या होगा आज मैच में?
देखिए जी, मैच में आज हमारा गोल्ड मेडल आएगा और ओलंपिक को शुरू 125 साल पूरे हो रहे हैं। पहली बार रेसलिंग में हमारा रवि दहिया, देश का बेटा, वो गोल्ड मेडल ही लेके आएगा।
गोल्ड मेडल ही लेके आएगा। आप लोगों को भी लगता है कि
गोल्ड मेडल ही आएगा।
सिल्वर में संतुष्टि नहीं होगी, गोल्ड ही आएगा।
रवि ने हमारे जो ना छोटे से मिट्टी के खाड़े से शुरुआत करी थी, और सोना कहाँ से निकलता है? मिट्टी से। तो मिट्टी से ही सोना निकलेगा और आज इतिहास रचाएगा। 130 करोड़ देशवासियों की दुआएं साथ हैं। आज वो हमारे गांव का बेटा नहीं, आज पूरे देश का बेटा है। माँ भारती का लाल है और माँ भारतीय चुनाव में आज स्वर्ण पदक हम 100% लेके आएंगे। बिल्कुल
देखेंगे साथ में।
हाँ, साथ में मैच देखेंगे। इतना कॉन्फिडेंस हमें रवि के ऊपर है। रवि ने बड़ा स्ट्रगल किया है, बहुत मेहनत करी है। उनके मम्मी पापा ने बहुत मेहनत करी है। एक किसान परिवार से है, खेती करना, और उस मेहनत का फल भगवान देता है हमेशा। ठीक है। और
पहलवान जी बैठे हैं,
ये कर्मवीर पहलवान जी हैं, 17 साल स्टेडियम से ही ये रेलवे में जॉब करते हैं।
क्या लगता है क्या होगा? बहुत मुश्किल से एकदम एंड मोमेंट पे पलट गया था मैच जब जीते थे। आज आपको क्या उम्मीदें हैं?
जी हमें गोल्ड की उम्मीद है,
पूरी
गोल्ड की उम्मीद है जी।
So people here very emotional, Nabila. All of them now hoping for the gold, and as we are speaking, more people are trickling into Ravi Dahiya's house. All of them are ready to watch the match together. All eyes and all hopes are now on that one gold. Nabila.
All right. Aishwarya, we see that people are quite excited. I mean, it's very heartwarming to see that these men, women who have represented India in the Olympics, all of them come from such humble backgrounds, haven't had the kind of infrastructure to train them over the initial years, eventually got support from their respective governments, but the feat that they've achieved is nothing short of incredible. Now, from a village, Ravi Dahiya in Haryana, that he hails from, to this podium in the Tokyo Olympics, wrestler Ravi Dahiya, his story here is of sheer hard work and passion. He started wrestling at a very young age, trained at the famed Chhatrasal Stadium to nurture his skills furthermore. Here's his journey through and through.
From a village in Haryana's Sonipat to the podium of sport's greatest event. 23-year-old Ravi Kumar Dahiya's story is one of grit and determination. All of 10, Dahiya started training under the watchful eyes of legendary wrestler and coach Satpal Singh. Like many sportsperson in India, his family's financial status became a hurdle in Dahiya's wrestling future. But he had a father who wanted his son to fulfill his dream. Working in a rented paddy field, Rakesh Kumar Dahiya struggled to make ends meet, but never let his son give up on his ambition.
रवि जी यहाँ 6 साल का पहलवानी करने लग गया था जी। गांव में एक छोटा मिट्टी का खाड़ा था, एक अंसराज ब्रह्मचारी जी वो करवा कर था। फिर वहाँ 17 साल में जी मैट पे कुश्ती करवाई, प्रैक्टिस हुई है। वहाँ से बाद में जी फिर मेडल भी बाहर से आने लगे जी। भाई मैं गोल्ड मेडल ले आऊँगा, पापा बोला वहाँ ओलंपिक में नंबर पड़ने के बाद। और मैं पूरी मेहनत, कम से कम 8-10 घंटे रोजाना मेहनत करता है रवि।
It was in Chhatrasal, the training ground for India's most accomplished matmen, including Sushil Kumar and Yogeshwar Dutt, that Dahiya honed his skills and learnt the tricks of freestyle wrestling. The first success came when he won the silver medal at 2015 Junior World Championships. After that, Dahiya never looked back. And now, he stands at the cusp of making history. A silver is assured, but the man from Sonipat will be grappling for more. And 1 billion people will be cheering him to become the first Indian wrestler to wear an Olympic gold medal around his neck. Bureau Report, India Today.
All right.